Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to give you guys some outfit ideas for whatever is left of fall and winter. I hope that you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and let's get started. So this first outfit is perfect for those days when you don't want to put too much effort into your look, but you still want to look put together and fashionable. So this outfit really revolves around a statement piece. I'm wearing this cheetah print skirt from Zara and paired it with a white sweater and white sneakers. Cheetah print is really in this season, and I love this white sweater from H&M because of the baggy sleeves. It's also very breathable and just perfect for those chilly days. But since I know it gets colder up north, I decided to add on a black leather jacket to complete the look. For the second outfit, I'm just wearing this coat dress from Zara. It came with a belt, but I took it off and just decided to use my DIY chain belt instead, and I'll make sure to link the video down below for that if you guys are interested in recreating it. But for accessories, I'm just wearing the same white sneakers, some cat eye sunglasses, and a circular handbag. And again, I'm sorry for the people that live in the cold, but you can definitely wear some pants or tights under this to just complete the look. This third outfit is definitely more casual. I chose these black and brown patterned pants that scream fall, and I paired it with a black long sleeve shirt and just added the same leather jacket from earlier on top to make the outfit a little warmer. To accessorize, I used my Gucci belt as well as a couple of hair clips to add a bit more edginess to the look. And for shoes, of course, I had to use the same white sneakers from earlier, but to make the look a bit more edgy and less casual, you can always exchange the white sneakers for some cute boots. This fourth outfit is for those of you girls that love to wear designer from head to toe but still look very practical and warm for the fall and winter months. So I wore a white turtleneck and just added a camel blazer on top, as well as some black skinny jeans to match my boots. I also wore a Gucci belt that has more of a vintage feel to just tie the look together, and I love this look so much because it's simple but it's still very sophisticated, and y'all know I love myself some neutrals. This last outfit, as you guys can tell by the title, is super low-key. It's the perfect outfit for Fridays and really any day when you don't want to dress up. As you guys can tell by the dance moves, I'm happy it's Friday. So for the outfit, I'm wearing a black crop top with these gray sweatpants and added this denim jacket with the cozy sleeves. And for shoes, I paired some white high-top Converse. This is basically my go-to outfit. I literally live in sweatpants, but the good thing is that it's a perfect outfit for college.